dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Itza Arroyo. If you are a doll that loves fashion and beauty content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications because I post every Wednesday, and hit that like button on today's video. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing a package that a brand called Merokeety sent me that is sold on Amazon. So if you're interested to see what they sent, please keep on watching. Right, also, I have these boxes right here, and although the box is open, the packages are not open because they did come in different days. As always, I'm gonna have everything linked down below, so make sure to check out the description box. So as I mentioned, this brand can be found on Amazon, and they have everything, dolls. They have dresses, tops, cardigans, blazers. They have dresses on there that look so good. If you're attending a wedding, they have a lot of good pieces on there. And so the brand reached out to me and they sent me some goodies, and I'm gonna be unboxing with you. So starting off, a crochet swimsuit cover up, size small to extra large is available. They have 9 other colors available. Of course, I ended up getting the color black, but colors like pink, white, green, all other options are on the website. I'm putting my hand through it to see if it's itchy, and so far that does not poke or feel it doesn't feel uncomfortable whatsoever. I did grab mine in the size medium. The warm weather's here, so you can wear this to the pool party, to the beach, to your getaways, your vacation. Doesn't have a stretch to it, so I did grab mine in a size medium. So I would say get your true to size. And even if it fits a little big, it's okay. It's a swimsuit cover up. I would not mind a little bit of room. The next package is drumroll. Okay, so I'm trying to add a little bit of pop of color in my closet. As you have seen a lot of my videos, I do tend to, I'm so gravitated to black clothing, but it's just my comfort zone. So I decided to add a little bit of pop of color. So this is a V-neck ruffle short sleeve blouse, and it has cute little Swiss dots. So how adorable is that? This is really something different for me. I don't think I really gravitate to anything like this, but I said, let me just get out of my comfort zone with the color. So I thought this would be so cute for the summertime with some shorts and some cute sandals. There are 20 other colors available. Sizes extra small to 3XL are available in this blouse. I did get it in size small because I was reading the reviews and they did say it was a little bit on the longer side. One thing I do gravitate towards is a lot of V-neck style tops. The fabric feels really nice and lightweight, soft. These little Swiss dots are not rough or pokey or anything. On the website, it did say it is more of a loose fit. So I totally like that because you can either wear it tucked in or tucked out. I feel like the little dots here just make this very feminine. And I just love any fashion pieces that I can dress up or down. You can wear this for the holidays. You can wear this for work. You can wear this with dressy pants, make it casual. Again, out of my comfort zone, but already by looking at it, I think I'm really, really gonna love it. So I'm so excited for this one. I am a sucker for blazers. Oh, just by feeling it, it feels such really good material. Oh my gosh, I know I'm gonna love this. I did get it in the color army green, but a ton of other colors online are available, and I did grab it in a size small. It does say that it has more of a casual and a relaxed fit. It is an open front cardigan. It does have 2 buttons here with pockets that you can actually put your hand in. Blazers are so versatile to style. I mean, you can wear this for business, you can wear this for casual, you can wear it for date night, you can wear it so many ways, and that's why I'm such a sucker for blazers, that it's such a staple in your closet. And I am on a mission to get every color, and obviously I did not have an army green. There is close to 15 other colors available on the website, and sizes small to XX are available. It is really well made, and I really hope that I'm saying the brand's name correctly. It is called Merokeety. I am so excited to try these on. If the sizes do not end up fitting me, I will go ahead and update you down below in the description box to tell you if they run true to size or if they run small or run big. So again, make sure that you check out the description box where I will list my sizing, while I will link these clothing pieces. And if you aren't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. One is some ribbed pajamas, and this is a set. It comes with the crop top and the shorts. If you haven't noticed, although things are saying pajamas, many women are wearing them even out to run errands. And when I saw this online, I thought I could totally wear this out. I would just throw on like a jean jacket on top, some sneakers, your little nice errand bag, and you'll be out the door. And so here is the top. It does say it was cropped, so that made me a little nervous because I don't normally go for that. So I grabbed it in size medium. I thought a large would probably be too oversized if I wanted to wear it out, but this one is in the color beige. And then here are the shorts. This one does seem a little bit more, because I have my lights and everything, it is a tad bit see-through, but obviously wearing nude undergarments, you should be fine. There's 10 other colors available. The color options are important for dolls who like light colors, who like dark colors, for the springtime, summer, and fall time. It is all, like, a lot of colors are listed. So I love that about this brand. Shorts have the drawstring. They look very comfy. They have pockets. Bottom of the shorts cuff up a little bit, so I think that just kind of elevates it and makes it not look like pajamas. And from the reviews that I read, a lot of them said they were great, they were comfy, were stylish for pajamas, and that this set was a must buy. If you haven't noticed as well, a lot of sets are trending right now because you can mix them up. Like, I can wear the shorts with a different top, and I can wear this crop top with some jeans or some other shorts. So that's what's cool about sets, that you don't really have to go out and find an outfit. You just have your set and you're ready to go run some errands. So the next item is a lace crochet cardigan. Say that 3 times. Lace crochet bark. Yeah, I messed up the first time. So this is what the cardigan looks like. I like the color. Again, trying to go out of my comfort zone and really get something that's not in my closet. I did grab it in size small. I believe like 9 or 10 other colors are available. So different. Lace, you can see like the detail on the lace, so beautiful. You do have buttons all the way down. Sizes small to extra large are available. This is stunning in person. This is something so different from what I would usually get. It doesn't feel itchy, but it just feels like a crochet. Not poking me. Like right away, you will know when something's like uncomfortable and you're just like, I want to take this off. You know what? Let me throw it on over this top that I have on. Might not be the best for the summertime, I will be completely honest, but this will be perfect for the springtime and the fall and winter time. I am loving this color. Wow, this feels really nice. I like how it looks with the green top that I have on underneath. This is stunning. This is very, very pretty. I love this. Okay, so I just opened this one. Lace wedding dress, bridesmaid cocktail maxi dress. Dolls, there are tons and tons and tons of colors available in this dress as well. Sizes small to 2XL are available, and I got mine in a size small. Let me see if it has a little bit of stretch. I'm a little nervous because it doesn't seem to have stretch in the waist area. In the back, it does have the zip closure. It is very long, and I think these are perfect like if you're having a beach photo shoot or just a photo shoot overall. This is really nice. Again, another color that I don't gravitate towards. So this one's, I believe, like a navy blue. If you love bohemian style, I feel like this screams it out. Again, gravitated to v-neck style dresses, tops. It does have a full lining, so it does not make the dress see-through whatsoever. And just the tulle on it, the lace, the details on the dress, so stunning. And I think it's a perfect dress for a photo shoot. You can wear this with heels, with sandals, to a wedding, for a photo shoot, a nice Sunday brunch. I think this is very, very pretty, very, very stunning and beautiful. And I believe it's one of their best sellers. Okay, dolls, so this dress is very, very stunning and beautiful, but it is on the longer side. I am 5'4", and I am very shocked that I actually have a lot of room in there. I'm actually wearing a small, and I wish they would have had extra small in line, but I'm obsessed with the color. It's such a gorgeous, stunning dress. I definitely can see this dress if you're like going on the beach or taking like a photo shoot on the beach. Definitely a baby shower dress. Back when I was pregnant, I wish I would have saw this dress, but it's bump friendly. It's so beautiful. So dolls, we've come to the end of the video. I want to thank Merokeety for sending this amazing package. Don't forget that I will have everything linked down below in the description box. Comment down below what was your favorite item from today's unboxing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for the love lately. We are close to 5K followers, and I'm very excited for my channel. If you aren't already, let's be friends on Instagram. You can find me at eyelash_dolls_fashion_autonomy. I have a lot of fun doing these unboxing videos for you dolls, so let me know if you want to see more. Thanks again for watching, dolls, and God willing, we will talk to you on the next one. Bye.